Wow.
Daddy!
What?
Don't go straight.
Okay. I'll try not to. More canoes than people almost. Let's see. Yeah, we will. Hold up there, Asaph. Hold up. Yeah, it should be alright.
Not a fish, no. So do you guys know a black and white word? What is that?
You guys made it all the way up. Nice.
I don't know. Get your face into a bloody neck. Daddy, be carefully. Guys, come through here. Oh dear. Can I see the tunnel of Neverland?
Stand there taking the picture.
Wow, there goes my paddle.
Here we go.
Yep, we're flying now. Get the old water skier.
Why? One line's longer than the